Hi guys, this weather, it is really so rainy. I want to show you how it's raining really rapidly. Okay, so let me take a short video and show you how it's raining. So me, I've seated just outside my outside my kitchen. Hii kizungu tusemeaje? I'm seated in my outside kitchen. Is it? This English now, wow. Huh? English. Mine did not come with sheep. It was brought by a wheelbarrow. From America to Karatina with a wheelbarrow or by the wheelbarrow. Okay. Yeah, it is not my language, so let's continue. Let's continue. Continue. Guys, it's raining while the sun is up, like you can see. Hi guys, it's really raining rapidly, like you can see. Heavy rain. There is flood all over this area, like you can see. Wow. This is how it's raining in the village. Yeah. Look at that. Excess water. The area looks so untidy, but don't mind about that. I want to show you how the area or how the rain. Over here we have gutter, and that's where we are fetching water from. And on this side, this is where I'll be doing my DIYs, but as you can see, hey, the weeds are all over. Okay, this is my outside kitchen. Sorry, I know it looks funny. I'm under an umbrella. And as you can see, the flood, the water is almost entering the kitchen. It's really raining. It's almost entering there. But I'm enjoying the carbon fire. Look at this. This is what we are undergoing here in the village. Heavy rains, but I thank God. Wow. It's raining rapidly, like you can see. It's so cold. I know I look funny. Hi guys, it's so cold in here, and it's really raining. Yeah, I'm under an umbrella. That's where I'm shooting this video. Today it's rainy weather. It has rained for let me say almost 2 hours. As you can see how the weather looks like, it is really so cold in here. And the floods over here. The water is almost entering my outside kitchen, where I enjoy bonfire. It is so cold, but I have no option but to sit down and enjoy the fire. This is how we do it in the village. But so far it is really raining. Guys, I'll be bringing you videos on how I'll be modifying these seats, everything over here. It is really so old, with lots and lots of mitungis. Look at the light, you can't even see it properly. This lamp over here. So I'll be bringing you videos on how I'll be polishing and creating it to be new, whatever. So stay tuned for my new videos which are coming. But so far I'm outside. I'm in my outside kitchen enjoying my bonfire while enjoying a cup of tea. It is really so cold here in the village. It is raining. It's in Christmas season, though we are in date 9. Is it 9 or 8? 2022. So let me enjoy.